Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to create a new scene or start a new project inside of Blender. So here I am inside of Blender, and I've created this pretty awesome sword for a motion tracking shot, but I'm all done working on it, so I'm going to start up a new scene. It's pretty easy to do. You just come up to the File here across in the toolbar across the top of the page, and we're going to click on File and go to New. And you see the shortcut here is Control-N, but we're just going to click on it from this menu. And it comes up with a question if we want to reload the startup file. And that's basically going to reset your scene to the default single light, the camera, and the default object that you saw when you first started a Blender. So we're going to say yes. And there we go. It's completely reset it. It's reset all of your tool panels, the size of them, everything completely reset from scratch. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to make a new scene in Blender. I'm Josiah Ray.